Never be afraid to say, I'm sorry. Say how you're going to make it right. It's an act of changing your behavior, not just saying, I'm sorry, a careless, I'm sorry. Because many people say, I'm sorry, and they really don't mean it, and they do it over and over. So a real apology is changing your behavior. And I say this for me too. I realized recently that I was judging and criticizing someone that I've known for years that never ever said I'm sorry, and it really bothered me. And now I realize I was wrong to judge them and criticize them. I realize now that someone that doesn't say they're sorry, they're afraid. Never ever be afraid to say you're sorry. I'm guilty of being afraid to say I'm sorry because of the backlash. You don't want the rejection. You know what? But nothing means more than an honest apology. I want to say that if I've ever hurt you in some way, anyone in my life, I truly am sorry. And giving back each day, being the best me, is how that I attempt to give that back. Some people you cannot apologize because it's not safe. It's just not healthy to go back to relationships that weren't good for you. But you can make an amends by being the best you every day. I call it a living amends. We can make a living amends by being a good person. Everyone falls short of the glory of God, as it says in our Bible. Every single person reacts sometimes and does things that are not kind. And the most loving thing you can do when you've done something like that is to go to them and say, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I did that. I'm sorry I hurt you. I'm sorry for your pain. I see your pain. So my mom, she probably won't mind me mentioning, I don't know if she knows this, but one of the things that means the most to me, one of my mom, I love my mom so much, very much. And one of the things she did that means the most to me is she came to me later in life and said, I'm sorry. I was being very ugly and mean, as I've done many times to my mom in my life. She forgives me over and over and over. She's stellar, just comes back with love. It means so much to me. But I will always remember when she said, I'm sorry. I see your pain and I'm sorry. That is what you do if you've wronged someone. And I'm not perfect at it either. However, we can make a choice to be better every day. So never, ever be afraid to say you're sorry. Even if they don't accept it, even if they reject it, you took care of your side of the street, sweep off your side of the street. Don't go back to a toxic or bad situation. Just be the best you. You can tell Jesus and he'll amend it for you. Go to the Father, the one who knows all, the one who knows best. Be your best and let God take care of the rest. Never, ever be afraid to say, I'm sorry. We're not cocky nor afraid. Just be the best you, everything you do. Love you guys. Stay sober fit. Don't get lit.